children, let us learn the names of animals.
B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z